when we were in Victorville, out in California last month.
I just want y'all to hear this. It's like listening to a phone call.
It's about the same temperature there as it was here. Yeah, I know. It's amazing, isn't it, how the desert's like that. It's a high desert, you know, it's a pretty high elevation, but it's about the same latitude, you know, as far as across the globe. Yeah.
ATAS 120 antenna. I'm under power lines right now.
K4WJM, are you anywhere around? W4NFR. Nothing heard. He must be on some special mission. I don't know. Special mission. I'm gonna look above 67. Hold on.
At a FT-891, such a great mobile.
That frequency is not in use. Well, that's that.
Sorry for the movement there. I am on a back road. Just wanted y'all to be able to hear how clear that is.
And I got a good BK station the other day.
I'm running DNR at algorithm 9.
All the way. Where was he? Queensland, I think. Oh, that's pretty good haul. Yeah. You know,
okay, so DNR at algorithm 9, IPO is enabled. Mobile, you never really need an amplifier. Here's the ATAS out there. And also got the RF gain rolled back.
Oh, yeah. Well, I used to hear Japanese stations every morning in Arizona. Oh, really? Oh, yeah. They were louder than anybody.
Some more power lines, but other than that, listen to that. RF gain set around 3. Okay, I just wanted y'all to be able to hear just how enjoyable the FT-891 can be as a mobile, even on single sideband. So thanks for watching. 73 to you. I wish you would subscribe and click that like button if you would. Share this video with a friend.
Oh, you don't think so? Well, it's kind of early. A lot of people are still being served. They're just getting out of church.
Okay, 73 from N4H8.